Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mrs. Wesam, your math teacher, and our lesson today is the distance between 2 points. First, let's revise the order pairs of a point. The order pairs for any point refers to its location in the plan. Any point in the plan has two coordinates or two projections. The first projection should be on the x-axis and the second projection should be on the y-axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. For example, if we want to find the two coordinates or the order pairs for the point A, first we should find its projection on the x-axis, which is 2, then find its projection on the y-axis, which is 3. Again, if we want to find the two projections for the point B, the first one on the x-axis, which is 3, the second one on the y-axis, which is 2. We can notice that the 2 points A and B have the same numbers, which are 2 and 3. Does this mean they are the same or they are equal? No. They are in different locations and in different positions. And the reason is because the order of the order pairs. The first on the x-axis, the second on the y-axis. We shouldn't mix. Let's find the two projections of the point C. The first one is 6 and the second is 6. Then we can say the order pairs could be the same number, and we can say there is an empty pair. Now we can find the distance between any 2 points on the plan. There are 3 ways to find the distance between the points on the plan. The first way we used to use when we were younger. To find the distance between the 2 points A and B, we used to count the squares between them on the grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then the distance between A and B is 5 units. The same, the distance between B and C, let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then the distance between B and C is 6 units. Later, we learned another way. To find the distance between A and B, we say A minus B in the absolute. First, we need to draw a line between A and B. We can notice that AB is parallel to the y-axis. Then we can find its projection on the y-axis. The projection of the point A on the y-axis is 3. The projection of the point B on the y-axis is 2. Then we can say A minus B means -3 minus 2. But what is this? This is the absolute. Why we use the absolute? Because there is no negative distance. If you use a ruler to measure the distance between 2 points, it's always a positive number. There is no negative distance. Okay? Then we can say -3 minus 2 in the absolute, which is 5 units. Let's do it again. To find the distance between the 2 points B and C, let's draw a line between them, and we notice that they are parallel to the x-axis. Then in this case, we need to find the projections of the point on the x-axis. The projection of the point B on the x-axis is 2. The projection of the point C on the x-axis is -4. Using our rule, B minus C means 2 minus -4, which is 6 units. Okay, the third way. If we want to find the distance between the 2 points B and D, let's draw a line between them. We notice that BD is not parallel to the x-axis or to the y-axis. Then we need to use a third rule, which we should memorize. The distance between the 2 points B and D is the square root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. What is x1, x2, y1, y2? First, we need to find the 2 coordinates or the 2 projections of the point, or the order pairs for each point. The order pairs for the point B is 2 and 2. The order pairs of the point D is -2 and -3. Any point of this point has x, y, x, y. To differentiate between them, we can say x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, we can substitute in our rule. x1, which is 2, x2, which is -2, y1, which is 2, and y2, which is -3. Using the calculator, find the distance between the points. We can use this rule to find the distance between any 2 points on the plan. Remember, you should memorize the rule. Thank you for listening. Till next time.